Hey everyone, welcome back to our Premeire Pro tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to merge two different clips in Premeire Pro. Alright, so here we have a couple of clips in our timeline. Now, this technique can be used with multiple clips, not just two. So, let's select both of these clips by simply dragging over them. Once they're selected, you can either right-click or if you're on a Mac, Control-click, and then navigate down to the Nest option. Now, you'll see this dialog box pop up where you can name your nested sequence. Let's call it Intro for this example. And just like that, boom! They're merged into one clip. But check this out, if you double-click the nested sequence, it opens up a new sequence where you can still make edits to each individual clip. Pretty neat, right? And when you go back to the main timeline, you'll see it's still one merged clip. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to merge clips in Premeire Pro. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Premeire Pro tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.